Alright, so now you're going to open a new blank file in Photoshop. So go File, New. And it's a default size of 7 by 5 inches, and it has a white background. We'll create. The next thing we're going to do is save it as brushes with your initials, brushes. And you're going to make a new folder on your desktop, call it Photoshop. Inside that folder, you'll save your file. The next thing you're going to do is press B for brush, and a paintbrush will appear on the desktop. Here is where the brush settings are up here in this panel. So here's the layers panel. We're not going to worry about that. We might want to unlock the background because we're working on the background layer. And we're going to select this icon, and here is where we get brush settings. And this is where you can change the size of your brush. And you have general brushes, you have dry media brushes, wet media brushes, special brushes. So we'll just go to general brushes and pick a soft round. And we're going to color the sky first. So we'll just paint the sky, and you might want to make it a big brush. You can click this icon to get that out of the way. So we'll just make it kind of subtle. And we have 100 opacity here. We should have it on normal. And then the next thing you're going to do is choose a layer color for the ground. So we'll call this, make this brown color. So we'll call that panel back, and we're going to choose special brushes. So right here we have a variety. So I'm going to choose a bright color here and just add this pattern to the picture. You can change the color while you add your pattern and give it a different texture altogether. And the next thing we're going to do is just add some bushes and some stems. So we'll go back to the brushes, and this time we'll choose a wet media brush. So I'll just try this one here and make it, say, the color of a stem of some sort, and make the size a little bit different. We'll just come up here. Actually, this stem is quite dark. So if you find that that's too dark, you can always undo. So press Ctrl Z, and actually Ctrl Z only undoes it once, but if you press Ctrl Alt Z, it will undo it as many times as you want. So the next thing we're going to do is choose a brush to add a stem. You might want to make it a soft color. Actually, these are kind of hard colors, so we'll close this. And so here's some stems that can come up from the ground. Of course, you can do your own version of this. This is just an old lady version, so I'll just put this up here like this. And voila. Now, we're going to save again, because we don't have to choose Save As because we've already saved it. We'll choose Save, and that's it.